Doctor, we're all having to learn how to pronounce Remdesivir. You've studied the results of those two rigorous trials. What makes people so optimistic?
I mean, this is such an exciting time. Dr. Fauci, who's the White House medical correspondent, he basically compared it to when they first came out with AZT, which was the first medication to treat HIV. Remdesivir has shown so much promise in the first phase of the clinical trials through the NIH, which is the National Institute of Health. The most important part was the fact that most of these patients in this trial were very sick. They were very sick with the COVID-19 infection, and a lot of them were on respirators. With the Remdesivir, what happened was the basic time to recover went down 31%. That's very significant because we went from 15 days to 11 days, and by having less days of being sick, there's less of a chance that these individuals develop complications, to include acute respiratory failure, which is one of the #1 reasons people are losing their lives from this infection. So with the reduction in the recovery time, individuals got better quicker, less complications, less death, less of a mortality rate. This medication is saving lives.
Now, what steps still need to be taken before Remdesivir can be widely prescribed?
I have 3 letters for you, Andrew. EUA. And that stands for Emergency Use Authorization. And this is a tool that the FDA can employ in a time such as this basic public health crisis, this COVID-19 pandemic that we're currently engaged in. The good news is the FDA has got the approval, and they've given the authorization to Gilead Pharmaceuticals, which is the company that produces the Remdesivir. And the Gilead Pharmaceutical Company released its whole stockpile. They donated the stockpile to the United States government. And as we speak, the medication is being distributed to the most hard-hit cities, including New York City, and individuals in the hospitals are receiving this potentially life-saving medication through IV. And also, Gilead Pharmaceuticals is producing more medication that will be released to hospitals and sick patients all over the world.
All right, that sounds like it could be a game changer. Thank you so much, Dr. Timothy Quinn, reporting live from your clinic in Richland this afternoon.
Hey, thank you.
All right, that was Dr. Timothy Quinn. You're watching 12 News at Noon.